Dear chartered accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant.
Daily news and updates for 25th January 2024. Ranjan Pai, chairman of Manipal Education and Medical Group, is set to emerge as the largest shareholder in Byju's owned Aakash Institute with a 40% stake. The Aakash board has approved the conversion into equity of the $300 million invested during 2023. This values the company, one of the remaining valuable assets for Byju Raveendran's troubled edtech group, at around $700 million and renders it debt-free. Byju's parent Think and Learn acquired the brick-and-mortar coaching chain for $950 million in 2021 in one of the largest acquisitions of the Indian internet sector. Having deployed $2 billion in India in the last 12 to 18 months, Bain Capital is on track to invest up to $10 billion in the next 3 to 5 years. India's time has come both due to its own internal development and hard work of structural improvements over the years, said David Grosslaw, managing partner, Asia Bain Capital. India on Wednesday decided to allow domestic public companies to issue and list their shares directly on a couple of global exchanges housed at the International Financial Services Centre in Gujarat's Gift City, a deemed foreign jurisdiction. The Ministries of Finance and Corporate Affairs notified the new regulatory framework, setting the stage for Indian startup unicorns and other entities, especially those in the sunrise and technology sectors, to have easier access to a larger pool of foreign capital. Banks will have to set aside capital on thousands of crores of funds they lend to corporates, brokers, asset managers, and even clearing houses during the day. The move would impact several private sector and foreign banks whose capital requirement would go up. Better known as intra-day credit lines or daylight overdrafts or DLOD, these loan lines are given sometimes for a couple of hours, with the borrower repaying the money before the close of the business hour. RBI officials have made it clear to banks that capital must be allocated on the DLODs besides documenting and reporting them. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has issued Circular Number 1/2024 offering a detailed explanation of the provisions of the Finance Act 2023. This comprehensive circular serves as an invaluable guide elucidating the amendments introduced to the Income Tax Act 1961 through the Finance Act 2023. The circular, meticulously crafted by the CBDT, provides taxpayers, professionals, and stakeholders with a deeper understanding of the nuanced changes brought about by the latest Finance Act.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.